In this video I will show you how to use the Smart Background Music feature in Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Envato. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First, import your footage and place it to the timeline. Then click on this Smart Background Generation. And now wait for the generation to analyze the content and the background music. This Smart Background Music Generation is AI-based feature that analyze your footage and generate music to your content. You don't need to be a professional editor or a beginner. When the process is complete, the AI will add a music track to your timeline. You can see it fits perfectly to your footage. And don't forget to add fade in and fade out to your footage to look more cool. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.